Did you know that Jesus' friends once got superpowers from God? Let me tell you this amazing story. After Jesus went to heaven, his disciples were scared and hiding in a locked room. Jesus told them to wait for something special, but they didn't know what would happen. Suddenly, a sound like rushing wind filled the whole house. Then something incredible happened. Tongues of fire appeared above each person's head, but the fire didn't burn them at all. Right away, they all started speaking in different languages they had never learned before. They were so excited, they ran into the streets talking to everyone. People from many countries were visiting the city that day. They were amazed because these simple fishermen were speaking perfectly in their own languages. Some people thought they were acting silly or had too much to drink. But Peter stood up boldly and explained, "This is God's Holy Spirit giving us power just like he promised." That day, 3,000 people believed in Jesus. God gave his followers supernatural power to tell everyone in the world about Jesus' love.